Welcome to our review of the EVEO Eyeglass Cleaner Spray, the perfect solution for keeping your eyeglasses and screens clean and streak-free. Are you tired of dealing with smudges, fingerprints, and dirt on your glasses and screens? Look no further than the EVEO Eyeglass Cleaner Spray. With its advanced cleaning formula, this kit effectively removes dirt, static, fog, and smudges without causing any damage. The versatile application of this cleaning kit makes it perfect for use on eyeglasses, sunglasses, TV screens, mobile phones, laptops, camera lenses, and more. Say goodbye to disposable wipes and hello to the eco-friendly microfiber cleaning cloths included in this kit. Trusted by many, EVEO is a reputable brand committed to providing top-notch essentials for modern digital lifestyles. With their expertise in manufacturing highly rated products, you can trust the quality and effectiveness of the EVEO Eyeglass Cleaner Spray. If you're ready to experience the benefits of the EVEO Eyeglass Cleaner Spray for yourself, click the link in the description below to buy on Amazon. Keep your glasses and screens clean and protected with EVEO.